So you put it like this or like this.
It doesn't matter. Just put it so it rests fully. I'll just put it down.
It's 13 point.
13.7 kilograms.
Okay. Let's put it down like this.
I see. 14.2. Still not 25. Okay, let's try the other door.
Okay. Now this is like the 86.
That's the 86, and this is the 70 something.
12.2.
12.2. So there you go. These are all the doors that you sent us that are not Lebo.